Okay, we actually are going to do the 3 examples here in this video. These are maybe the complicated ones. So as we zoom in and take a look, we're going to start this one the same way we started the other ones. We have x's and y's. We need to figure out where the 2 x's are. So one of the x's is up here in this corner and another one is down here. So we need to figure out what their angle relationship to each other is. What are those blue dots? It looks to me that they're both on the outside. So I have exterior, and they're both on the same side. So I have consecutive, exterior. These are going to be supplementary. You can also check, one's an acute, one's an obtuse. Yeah, together they'll make 180. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to add it to that, and I'm going to set it equal to 180. But maybe we can do this a little bit faster. Can I combine like terms right away? 18x's and 8 more x is 26x. Negative 44, negative 10 more, negative 54. And together, they are going to add up to be 180. That saves us a step of writing that first long equation that we did in the other video. And it just makes us a little 2-step equation for us to solve for x right now. Oh, that's a 2. 234. Divide by the 26, and I believe the answer is 9. At least that's what I'm going to go with. All right, so now we figured out x. We need to go back and we need to figure out y. Just like the other problems, I see that this angle here and that angle there together make a straight line, and straight lines are also 180. So let's figure out how much is actually right here. Let's see, I have 8 times 9, take away 10. That's going to be 8 times 9 is 72, take away 10, 62. So this amount is 62. 62 plus this equals 180. (62) plus 13y minus 38 equals 180. Okay. 13y is all alone. I can't really do much with that. But I can combine 62, take away 38. I believe that is 24. And now I have a similar problem that looks like this up here. I'm going to use the same 2 steps to get y all alone. Divide by 13, that would be 12. Y equals 12. Okay. On to number 12. I have to start with the 2 x's again. One of them is up here. The other is down here. So one's on the outside and one's on the inside. I hope they're corresponding. It looks like this one is in, I don't know, you call it the top right, maybe it's this big one in the top right. Top right. Yeah, might be hard to see, but they're corresponding. And I know corresponding angles are congruent to each other. So that means they're going to be the same. There's the equation. And then we always do the same 3 steps. Move the smaller x, give something back, divide by whatever is left. Move the smaller x. The right gave to the left has to give something back. Okay. And now divide. All right, so x is 14. How does that help us solve the y? So the y is in this corner here. All right, well, I see again, these two things make a straight line. So together we have 180, just like the last one. Let's figure out how much this x, this blue dot, is actually worth. 9 times 14 minus 2, that's gonna be 90 plus 36, so 126, take away 2, 124. All right, so here's my equation. 124 plus 10y plus 6 equals 180. All right. Combine like terms like we did before. The 10y is the only kind of y, but 124 plus 6. Take away 130 from both sides. Lastly, divide by 10. And there we go. All right, on to our last one here. I have two sets of parallel lines here. The ones going from left to the right are parallel, and these ones going up and down are also parallel. It tells me that right here, so I don't have to guess, I know. All right, let's see. The x's, I got one over here, and then another down here. But I have a problem, because my blue dots here, these angles, there's no single transversal that connects them. That won't work. There's no one line. And without one line, there's no angle relationship. So I don't know where to go. But I do know that this line, J, is parallel to this line, K. It tells me that right here. So I know that this dot here, this angle, corresponds to this one here. These are worth the same amount. Well, now I can relate here. I can just take this 8x minus 1, and I can just move it down there. Now, these lines have a transversal. And how does this relate to that one? Well, they're both on the outside, and they're both on opposite sides. So I have alternate exterior. These are gonna be congruent to each other. 8x minus 1 equals 11x minus 25. All right. Move the smaller x, give something back, and divide. Move the smaller x, give something back. Lastly, we're going to divide. So that gets us x. We have to solve for y. This is really convenient that these ones keep making straight lines. All right, let's figure out if x is 8, 8 times 8 is 64, 64 take away 1, 63. So here's my equation, 63 plus 15y minus 48 together. They make 180. 15y goes out front. 63 take away. 15. Okay. Subtract and divide. Subtract 15. Divide by 15. And there we go.